Hi everyone! What if I told you that you could build a professional, interactive touchscreen system in just a few minutes? It's easier than you think. With our platform, it works just like building a website. Simply upload your content, drag and drop a few elements, and your system is ready to go. Take an exhibition hall query system as an example. On the home screen, you can add a background image and an intro video, then create buttons. One to display a PDF or Word document, and another to open a photo gallery. Within minutes, you've built a complete interactive query solution. The platform supports multiple modules: PDFs, Word documents, videos, images, galleries, web pages, background music. Everything can be freely combined to match your needs. It even supports cross-screen interaction. With our interactive touchscreen software maker platform, you don't need any programming skills to create powerful interactive experiences, whether it's for corporate showrooms, museums, exhibitions, or shopping mall navigation. The possibilities are endless. What if the regular features aren't enough, making your interactive presentations more attractive and professional? We also offer fully customized services to meet more creative needs.